Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this Leetcode problem. So first we'll understand what is it. So they're given two numbers, n and m. So consider it as a number one and number two. Okay, so forget about number one, number two. So consider two integers like n and m, and after that, so we have to iterate uh, till the n. Okay, so you have to do that range function, and after that you can see this example some from 1 to n. In this way, you have to iterate and you have to store those elements, and you have to check one condition like whether it is divided by m or not. If that is divided by m, you have to store the divisible elements in one list, and uh, which is not divisible, you have to store that in another list, and you have to sum those lists, and after that you have to get the difference, and you have to return the difference. That's the answer. So check this example, we'll understand this. So the given n is 10 and m is 3, so output is 19. How? So first we have to do the range function till 1 to 10. We'll get all the elements, and out of that range we have to check which of the elements are divided by m. In this case m is 3, so that's why so whatever elements are divisible by 3, we have to store that in one list, and we get the sum of that, and which is not divisible, we'll store that in another list, and uh, we'll get the sum of it, and we'll do the difference. Whatever the result come, that we return. So that's it. So we'll solve this example so that we can understand. Okay. So initially I have to I need to list that is nothing but divisible by m, one list, not divisible by m, that is another list. Okay. So for I in a range of what they're doing, the one here, uh, and whatever n value they given, we have to do with plus one, because if you want to use plus one, so it won't iterate till n, it will iterate the before step. So that's why. So then what we have to do, we have to check one condition like if I divisible by m equal to 0, that is when it divisible. Okay, so then what we have to do, div underscore m dot append I, else what we have to do, non divisible dot append I. Okay, at the end what we have to, so then what we have to return sum of sum of divisible. So that's it. Let's see. Let's run this. Let's see what happens. Mhm. Yeah, that's it, guys. And this way you can solve this problem. You can see the examples also. Okay, we already passed the test cases. We got the result as well. So yeah, you have to understand the problem. Then after that, we can execute the things. You have to break it down and we can do the stuff. Okay. So in case we won't learn the things, we can, so we can try multiple problems, then we'll get to know, okay, what are the techniques we have to solve. It's about practice, and there are many ways to solve this problem, but my approach is this, I want to do in this way. So if you have any other logics, you can go with this. Maybe instead of list you can add some variable, and after that you can assign 0, and after that you can add that thing, so in that way you won't perform this operation. That is also possible, but I did in this way. Yeah. So we'll solve the next problems in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye.